Volkswagen's new California camper van gains more space and hybrid power. Each rig includes a rooftop tent and 2 sliding rear doors, and some rigs even include a kitchen. Volkswagen has redesigned its California camper van for the European market. Positioned between Caddy, California and Grand California, the Mini Caravan is offered with a new hybrid powertrain and is larger than the previous model, creating a more spacious cabin. The new camper van will be available in 5 different trim options: beach, beach tourer, beach camper, coastal and ocean. Each model has a rooftop tent and 2 sliding doors with mosquito nets. Volkswagen will offer a new awning for both sides of the vehicle, which is optional in some markets and standard in others. Inside, Volkswagen replaced the rear bench with 2 individual seats. Luckily, they can still turn into beds. This means people can still put bikes in the back without losing sleeping space. Engineers also redesigned the full kitchenette found in the beach and ocean, pushing it rearward so passengers can exit from either side of the vehicle. Accessible from the outside, this room features a sink, single-burner gas stove and cupboards. Each 53-pound rear seat is removable, and each is equipped with a drawer for additional storage. VW has placed several 45-watt USB-C charging ports throughout the cabin. Passengers even have the ability to turn off all interior LEDs and backlights at once by double-tapping any light switch. Beach tour trim and above come with VW's new camper control unit in the passenger side C-pillar. It is a way to control various vehicle functions accessible through the infotainment system and smartphone app. The Ocean is the flagship model and comes with 2 RV batteries, 2 230-volt outlets, 1 inside and 1 outside, heated front seats, auxiliary air heating, overhead storage, folding table, and a 7.4-gallon trunk. The new Caravan will be available with 3 powertrain options shared with the multivan: 4-cylinder, 150 horsepower turbodiesel and 204 horsepower gas engines power the front wheels. The new plug-in hybrid option comes with 4-motion all-wheel drive system and 245 horsepower. It can also tow up to 4,409 pounds.